This video will show you how to create a chart in Google Sheets. So we have already inserted all of our information, and we've also inserted a formula to calculate all the number of animals. So to create a graph, you are going to take your cursor, and I find it's easier to maybe start in the bottom right-hand corner. You're going to hold your cursor down and drag with your right finger so that you can highlight all the cells. So you need to highlight the animals as well as the category names at the top. Then you're going to go over to the icon over here that looks like a square with some bars, and that says Insert Chart. You're going to click on it. Google's going to automatically generate a chart for you based on what they think you should use. However, you may not want a pie chart at this time. So over on the right is the chart editor. So under Chart Type, you can choose to change your pie chart to a bar chart or a column chart. So I would like you to do that. From here, you can start to customize your graph. So you're going to hit the Customize button, and you're going to click on Chart Style. From here, you can change the background color to maybe something opposite of what your color is. You can make it three-dimensional, so these bars, have a three-dimensional look to them. And then if you scroll down farther under Series, this is where you can change the color of your bars. So remember, the same rules apply: light on dark and dark on light. You can also scroll down and change the legend. You can change this to be bold. You can change the text to be different as well. And then once you do that, you close out. This then becomes a picture. And so you can move it around so it's not overlapping your text. You can shrink it a little if you need it to fit in a particular area. This also, since it is an image, becomes useful in that as long as I have the squares and blue lines around it, I can hit Control C, and I could go to my presentation that I'm creating for class, and I can do Control V. It will say link to spreadsheet, but you don't have to have it linked to one another, so you can click Paste Unlinked. And at this point, your chart goes into your Google Slides presentation. And so when you're giving your presentation in social studies class about the number of people who died in each war, or in science class, the results of your experiment, you can have a nice graph to present in your presentation. So this video shows you how to create a graph and manipulate and customize your graph as you would like.